C. Crane CC Skywave SSB2 is remarkable with its features and versatility. That's impressive because this radio isn't one that does a little bit of everything. Instead, it's pretty good at many of the things it does. While this isn't a dedicated weather radio, it's better at handling weather notifications than most weather radios. And that same performance energy is carried on to other bands as well as AM, FM, SW, airband, SSB, and scannable civilian frequencies. As a weather radio, CC Skywave SSB2 can receive all NOAA channels, including alerts. Setting the radio to the weather channels is relatively simple. The first button, WXSW Air, on the controls will let you listen to or switch between WX, weather channels, airband, and shortwave. Setting up NOAA alerts is handled through the AM/FM alert button. A quick press of this button will switch the radio between AM and FM modes. However, a long press will activate the weather alert. Users can choose to activate the alert for 4, 8, or 16 hours. To deactivate the NOAA alert feature, you'll have to long press the AM/FM alert button again for approximately 2 seconds. It's worth noting that when in alert mode, the radio will continue to function and scan for alerts even if the radio is switched off. So if conserving batteries is your priority, you may want to switch alerts off. Speaking of batteries, the radio can work off of 2 AA batteries. If you choose to use nickel metal hydride batteries, they can be recharged while placed inside the radio. A 5-volt micro USB port is available on the side of the radio to make this possible. The availability of the micro USB port in the C. Crane CC Skywave SSB2 is an upgrade over the use of the mini USB port in its predecessor, the CC Skywave SSB. There are a few such incremental upgrades in the SSB2. These include a slightly better speaker, wider feet for more stability, and an external antenna jack with adapter for better SW reception. With all these features of note, it's very easy to forget how tiny this radio actually is. CC Skywave SSB2 measures just 4.75 inches width by 3 inches height by 1.1 inch depth. It fits in nicely with competitors like the Texsun PL990. Both radios have similar performance, but the Texsun is more expensive. This is partly due to the presence of a built-in lithium-ion battery and a micro SD card slot that lets the Texsun radio work as an MP3 player. The small size of the Skywave also means that though the speaker is an improvement over the previous model, it isn't very impressive. It's still pretty good, but you might get better audio quality with decent earphones. On that note, the device comes with CC Buds earphones, which are pretty good. Other accessories in the package include a faux leather carry case, shortwave antenna adapter, and 23 feet portable shortwave reel antenna. Overall, the Skywave SSB2 is a remarkably versatile radio with excellent performance as a weather radio. It's easy to set up alerts or listen to weather channels, and it does remarkably well on other bands as well, including AM, FM, SW, and airband. To sum up, what we like is the good performance as weather radio. It's easy to set up alerts, it works on FM, AM, SW, airband, and more. It can connect to external SW antenna and can work with 2 AA batteries, rechargeable nickel metal hydride batteries, or DC adapter. On the downside, compact size can be something of a surprise and pop noise when using headphones and switching bands. Our ratings for features is 9 out of 10. Value for money, 8 out of 10. Audio clarity, 8 out of 10. Ease of use, 9 out of 10, for an overall rating of 9 out of 10.